Hi guys, Fred Zint here, Guarantee RV Super Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Eclipse Attitude 28 IBG. It's a beautiful toy hauler. Come on inside, let me show you the features on this. So we're going to start from the back. So when your ramp's down, you got your two side-by-side dinette that also folds into a bed. And you also got this upper bed. It's for a large family. And then you got your two nice leather swivel rockers. And then you have storage up here for helmets, gear. Nice big screen TV. On the other side here, you got a little slide out. You got your sofa here that also is a jackknife bed. And then you got extra stuff here for more gear, knickknacks. You got a nice double door Dometic refrigerator and freezer. And then in here in the galley, you got a one-piece Corian countertop, a nice large stainless steel sink, 3-burner stove, your oven, and then you got more cupboards for paper towels, plates, cups, stainless steel microwave. Come on in the back and I'll show you the bedroom and the bathroom. When you come in here, you got a nice corner shower. Got storage behind. Got a medicine cabinet, sink. In the bedroom, you got a little pop out here. It's a wardrobe slide out. And then you got more wardrobe on each side and storage above. And you got a nice walk around queen size bed. Have a nice power awning. And then you have speakers and floodlights on both sides. Then you have your ladder so you can get on the roof if you need to seal the roof and inspect it. Then your fuel station's right here. Here's where you fill your gas up. Then you got your fresh water connection, your city water connection, outside shower. Got an awning quiet 4,000 kilowatt generator. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2020 Eclipse 28 IBG, give me a call. My name's Fred Zint. My number's 541-729-9500.